How to create flashcards using NotebookLM. First of all, open the NotebookLM. You can open the application, or you can also click on the search bar and type in notebook.google.com. After you do that, go ahead and create a new notebook. Once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to add the sources. Click on the option Add Sources that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to search the way for new sources. You can also drop your files over here. You can add the PDF, images, docs, audio and many more. If you want to upload the files, you can click on the option Upload Files. If you want to upload the websites, you can click on the option for websites. If you want to upload it from the drive, click on the option Drive. If you want to add the copied text, click on the option Copied Text. I'm just going to upload the files from my device. So click on the option Upload Files. Now what you have to do is click on the file that you would like to upload and click on the option Open. After that, this source will be uploaded. You can see over here I've already done it. Now at right, you'll be able to see the studio. You can see various options over here. Click on the option Flashcards that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. The flashcards is being generated. Now you'll be able to see the flashcards generated by using the NotebookLM. Like this, you'll be able to generate the flashcards using NotebookLM. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.